final video to solve the AMD AGS X64 DLL missing error. If you are also facing this problem while launching an app on your Windows computer, then stay with me till the end. I promise this video will save your time. I am going to share every possible way to fix this issue in the simplest way, so you can easily follow it. And if you are new here, this is Rexist. First, let me ask you, are you also stuck with this missing DLL error when you try to open a game or software? If yes, then this video is exactly what you were searching for. I know how annoying this error feels, because no matter how many times you try, the app just refuses to start. When I faced this problem, I wanted a simple answer, not a long and confusing tutorial. Now let me explain why this problem happens. This error usually appears when your AMD graphics files are missing, damaged, or not updated. Sometimes the DLL file gets deleted, or the GPU driver becomes corrupted. And when Windows cannot find the AGS X64 DLL file, the game shows this error again and again. You may see many solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but many of them are complicated and hard to follow. They tell you to download random DLL files or run many commands. But when I faced the same error on my own device, I fixed it with a very simple trick. Here is one easy solution you can try right now. Open Settings on your computer. Go to Windows Update. Now click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and open Optional Updates. If you see an AMD graphics driver update, install it. After that, restart your computer and launch the game again. For many people, this